Hi, I'm Dr. Michalis Diomataris. I'm coming from Athens, Greece. Welcome to my clinic, Odontomorphos Dental Clinic. This is a clinic mainly focused on providing personalized and customized treatment plans. So as a team later on, we can sit next to our patient and not against our patient. i900M stands out for freedom. I don't have any cables. I use familiar equipment such as iPad. What I do love also is they have a new installation of the battery. It has a magnetic installation, prevents a lot of accidents. Actually, the revolution with that combination, the i900M and the iPad, is I don't have to move around. We can spontaneously, on the dental chair, having the patient keeping the iPad in the hands. During my scanning procedure, they can see what is going on, and I can discuss about the treatment plan that we're gonna do, and then I can speak directly to them without having to go around. This is super convenient and no time consuming, as having gained the trust of our patients. Huge advancement regarding flow. I can connect my i900M with my iPad, and with the new software, the Express, I can run smoothly within each stage of my scanning procedure. The software is so friendly, even for someone that is not a dentist. My dental assistants can use that very easily and flowable way. I can also make a lot of customizations. As we have discussed about patients, also dentists are individuals. So they have different needs, and that software and that advancement from Medit is what I consider one of the biggest plus they can provide to the dental community. This scanning data that I do have can serve for future integrations. For example, if they have an accident in 5 or 10 years, and I can reproduce one by one what they have as a part of their exclusive DNA. And I can use the Medit design app, and I can directly print the desirable mock-up. Within the first appointment that I collect all this data, I can also visualize to my patient what will be the future final outcome of his or her smile. The more our patients can have that monitoring, and they can be well educated, live happier, live longer. I'm looking forward to fulfilling my dental vision with i900M and Medit family.